I killed it! What's up, guys? What's going on? Today we're going to take this old dusty Cranebrook Walmart special of a bicycle here, and we're going to turn it into something a little cooler than what it is. You know, because you can only be so cool riding on Walmart. But we got us an eBay kit. It's going to make us even cooler. Got a 79cc pedal assisted motor kit that you can put right on your bicycle. I'm just going to throw that around. It's got everything you need, your brackets, linkages, throttle mounts, everything. Everything you need in here, even a fancy chrome sprocket to your exhaust. Look at that. Nice chrome exhaust. We styling now. So, I'll do a little fabricating, and we'll do little shots here and there. But yeah, we'll see how it comes out on the end. Oops. That's good on the carburetor. My bad. Everything feels okay. We'll have to check and see. Alright guys, now the way this wheel works is it's got a little sprocket goes on over here. You gotta remove your brake pedal and then pop that off so you get back on. This sits over it, and it's got these little rubber guys here that sandwich in between the rim and the sprocket, and then you true it all up. And yeah, so we'll go and throw that on there. Whatcha! Alright, that was a hell of a wrestle, but we got it. Now we got to make sure that we're true on our axis here. So we'll put it in the jig, spin it, mark it with a marker this way for wobble this way. We'll mark it with a wobble marker this way for wobble in play this way. And once we get that trued up, we'll be able to mount it back onto the bike. Step 2, done. Bam. Alright guys, there it is. We got the kit all installed. Everything's on. And we just turned the Huffy into a Go Huffy. Yeah, we're gonna fire it up here in a minute. I gotta go find some tubing. For some reason, the tubing didn't give me any fuel line in the kit. I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, actually pretty easy installation. Yeah, no fuel line, no. I'll find some, and we'll fire it up here in a minute and see how she runs. But yeah, that's the overall install, guys. It's pretty easy. Brap, brap. So I'm not real sure. They just say connect the blue wire to the blue wire, the black wire to the black wire, interrupt your signal, and this is output for power, I guess. So we'll find out. If that's the case, we'll have to tape it up. But yeah, so far that's what we got. Not bad. We're gonna go fire around, see what it does. Right on, guys. Stay tuned. We'll see what happens. Might blow up, might work, might not, might break. Who cares? It was fun. Alright guys, it's a little crappy outside. Weather's not so good, but we're gonna give it a test drive. Maiden voyage. See what she does here. Got the old GoPro on the head cam so we can film as we go along. Alright, let's try it out. All right, the Huff Master. Let's see what we can do. Go in here. Pull in the clutch, let it out. Ooh, she's a little stiff. Might have to get on the road here. Oh, what's going on? Got some adjustments to do here. That needs to hang out right there. Might have to go tighten that up some more. There we go. There, see if she holds up there. Okay, take two. Oh, she was running. I heard it. She's alive. She's running. All right, she's alive. It looks okay. Good so far. Everything looks okay so far. All right, let's do a little road test. Working so far, guys. This is cool. Needs a front brake though, I can tell you that much. A little pedal and away you go. I'm gonna cruise here for a minute, see how it does. She died. She died on us. I bet she fired right back up though. Alright, here we go. And we're cruising along pretty good. About half throttle, quarter throttle. Woohoo! She's working, guys. Oh boy, hang on, coming hot. Good thing she's got a cushiony seat. She's a little bouncy. Little Hogzilla. All right. Success. It works. Not bad. You two for $165 and $225 can have a motorcycle yourself. Oh man, that's cool. Little adjustments here and there, but yeah, we'll get it, guys. We'll get it. Okay. Let's try this bad boy out. I killed it!
kill switch works.